Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova Y91 and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So open first the settings, then scroll down to accessibility features and tap to shortcuts and gestures. Click to the ultra snapshot and just by double press to the down bottom button, we could open for example the camera app, so you should switch off to open camera or take a snapshot. And now let's just lock the device. Twice press to the down bottom button and we could see that the camera application successfully activated. If you wanna turn off this option by the same way, go to the settings, to the accessibility features, shortcuts and gestures, ultra snapshot, switch open camera to off. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.